Want to create an EverWebinar using GrooveFunnels? I'll walk you through the steps quickly so you can set it up in no time. Whether you're familiar with GrooveFunnels or not, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make an EverWebinar and take advantage of its power for your business. First off, if you're not using GrooveFunnels yet, you're missing out. You can use it completely free from the first link in the description below, and we have some exclusive bonuses to make sure you get the most out of it. Now, let's jump into the EverWebinar creation process inside GrooveFunnels. The first thing you need to do is head to your GrooveFunnels dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the GrooveWebinar section. This is where you can create both live and evergreen webinars. GrooveFunnels makes it super simple, even for beginners. Next thing, select Create Webinar. You'll have an option to choose from live or evergreen webinars, but for this video, we're focusing on how to set up an EverWebinar. You'll be prompted to fill in the basic details like the title, description, and time zone. Make sure this is clear and matches your branding to capture your audience's attention. The fourth thing is choosing your registration settings. GrooveFunnels lets you customize the registration process. You can ask for specific information, set up email notifications, and even create a thank you page. These details are crucial to make sure your participants are engaged right from the moment they sign up. Moving on, the next step is setting up the video for your EverWebinar. GrooveFunnels allows you to upload a pre-recorded video or stream it from other sources. If you already have a webinar ready to go, upload it here. This is the key to making sure your evergreen content is ready to run automatically without you having to be present every time. Next thing, you'll need to set up your automation. GrooveFunnels makes this incredibly easy. You can set up the exact times your webinar will appear to your audience and how often. This is perfect for automating your sales funnel, so your webinar can run on a continuous loop without your direct involvement. The last thing to do is customize the final touches. GrooveFunnels lets you add call to action buttons, countdown timers, and more to keep your audience engaged during the webinar. You can also track your participants and analyze their behavior to make future webinars even better. That's it. You've now set up an EverWebinar in GrooveFunnels. It's a powerful tool that automates the process for you, so you can focus on other aspects of your business while your webinar runs on autopilot. Before you go, don't forget that you can get GrooveFunnels for free from the link below, plus an exclusive extended trial to help you get started. So, if you're serious about taking your webinars to the next level, check it out. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this quick explanation helpful.